Come and get him. Here.
Bracken.
That Daddy's blanket. They never do what you want them to. You like that blanket? That's cute too. Here, Bracken. Come and get it. Yay! Here it comes.
Hey, Grandma.
Here.
Look out. Let me get Bracken crawling.
Come and get it. Good boy. Come get it.
There's a prize inside.
I need to send this to Doug. You gonna pull yourself up on the couch?
Here. Here. Get it.
Woo! Woo!
Go get it.
Yay! I know. Good boy. You're doing a great job.
Go get it. Up, up, up.
Oh, you're doing so good.
I normally just pop around. He's so cute.
I know. He's
Honey,
tired.
just my mom's taking. I'm getting frustrated. Yeah, look at.
Ah!
Here. Let's try this. Okay, baby, here. Here, come and get him. Here, 1, 2, 3. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Now watch the feet. Oh, get up,
Oh.
up, up, up.
Push him back further so he has to reach for him.
Now I want to make my own charm bracelet.
Oh,
Here,
you're not gonna do it, are ya?
go get it. Little turkey. Oh, go get it.
Okay, Max.
You want Grandma to help you?